Welcome to Jija Academy Lahore. Today I'll discuss uses of computers in different fields of life. For example, business, e-commerce, computer-aided design, and simulations. A computer is playing a very important role in our everyday life, and many of our daily life activities are performed by computers very easily and quickly. The main fields where computers are widely used are business, education, bank, e-commerce, business, etc. Let's discuss uses of computer in business. In a business, computers are used for the purposes like marketing, stock exchanges, banks, departmental stores. Marketing. Computers are being used for marketing through websites. Several websites like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, which are being used to advertise different products. That in turn flourishes the business. The computer is also used for maintaining the records of products. The computers are also providing their services in stock exchanges. A stock exchange is very important place for a businessman where computers are used to conduct bids. The stockbrokers perform all trading activities electronically and it reduces the cost as no paper or special building is required to conduct such activities. Computers are used in banks for keeping the records of the customers and maintaining their accounts. A special purpose device is used in banks which is called MICR. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, and MICR refers to the line of numbers that appears at the bottom of a check. To read those magnetic ink characters, a magnetic ink character recognizer is used. Furthermore, almost every person uses the facility of ATM. The customers can withdraw money through any ATM using their ATM cards. Similarly, banks provide the facility of credit cards and debit cards that can be used to purchase different items online. Another use of computer in business is departmental stores. Computers are widely used in departmental stores to perform different operations quickly and accurately. For example, record of different products present in a departmental store can be maintained by using computers. Computerized bills are quickly prepared by scanning a product, and in order to scan a product, another device, a barcode reader, is used. Barcode reader is an input device that scans or captures a barcode present on every product. As the barcode reads a specific barcode, the price of that particular item is entered into the computer through the barcode reader, and customer's bill is quickly prepared without any error. The record of sale can also be stored by using computers, and how much stock in inventory is present or how much to be ordered further can be managed by using computers. Security cameras are also used in departmental stores, and thus records of security cameras are also maintained by computers. Uses of computer in e-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. Selling or purchasing of products online is called e-commerce. E-commerce is also known as e-trade or e-business. The users can buy, sell, or exchange products or services using computers. And online payments are made by credit cards or debit cards or using the services provided by e-banking. The main services provided by e-commerce are email, video conferencing, e-shopping, and e-banking. Email. Email stands for electronic mail. Email is a very popular service by which messages can be sent anywhere in the world. So email plays a very important role in e-commerce. It provides online communication with customers and customers keep in touch with their orders. Next is video conferencing. Video conferencing is an online meeting using cameras and microphones. No one can deny the importance of video conferencing, particularly in the present scenario. E-commerce has become our need of the day. We place online orders and get our desired products at our doorsteps. It saves time and cost. Almost all students and teachers are using video conferencing to fulfill their educational needs. The video conferencing is also very important in business point of view. It speeds up the business activities and connects companies with their consumers and help organizations to promote their business. E-shopping. E stands for electronic. Many business organizations have their websites where organizations sell their goods and services. Customers open their website and place orders by using their credit cards or by using other mode of payments. Any computer having an internet connection can be used for this purpose. Next is e-banking. Electronic banking has provided the concept of stay at home. People can make online transactions, they can pay funds, they can pay their utility bills, or any other payment can be done by using electronic banking. Almost all banks are providing this service for their valuable customers. It is also known as online banking or cyber banking. The customers don't need to go to banks for their transactions. They can perform their transactions staying at home. There are different types of e-commerce. Business to consumer. Business to consumer e-commerce is also known as B2C e-commerce. B2C. It is a direct trade between companies and customers or consumers. The second type is customer to consumer, also known as C2C. In C2C e-commerce, there is a direct trade between two consumers. The best example of C2C e-commerce is OLX, where different consumers connect with one another directly and sell or purchase their products. The third type is business to business, B2B e-commerce. It is a direct trade between two businesses or two companies. Companies sell or purchase their products to each other. CAD. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. CAD is a system. System means a combination of software and hardware. CAD helps engineers and architects to create a technical design model of different products like aircrafts, vehicles, bridges, buildings, etc. CAD increases the productivity of a designer and improves the quality of a design. In order to create design models for different products, a CAD system requires high quality graphics monitor, input devices and output devices. Input devices like keyboard, light pen, digitizing tablet, etc. and output devices such as printers and plotters. Next is computer simulation, a special type of computer model or computer program that is used to represent the real world system is called computer simulation. Computer simulation is an artificial system that represents the functionality of an actual system, and mostly it is used to train people when it is not possible to make direct experimentation in real life due to a dangerous system or due to economical problems or in the situations where system is not available in real time. The examples of computer simulations are flight simulation, which is used to train pilot to handle different situations that can arise during the flight. Another example of computer simulation is river system. The simulation of a river system is visualized. And network simulation can be used to create and configure network topologies. Thank you for watching. For more computer science lectures for ICS Part 1 and Part 2, subscribe to my channel.